We are excited to present the Runway 230 kilovolt power line project. This project will connect the APS Runway substation to existing power lines along the Agua Fria River. The new double-circuit power line will provide a backup source to the Microsoft data center in Goodyear and support the overall growth in the West Valley. As we identify new routes for these lines, we take into account future energy needs while balancing cost and impacts. The Runway substation is located within the customer's property. The power line will be built with steel pole structures ranging in height from 115 feet to 195 feet, depending on terrain and existing infrastructure that would need to be crossed. There are two main factors to consider as we identify proper locations for our power line routes. First, what is the best way to minimize impacts to sensitive areas? And second, how can we maximize the use of existing siting opportunities? In the process to determine these answers, we've hired an outside consultant to conduct environmental studies, assist with community outreach, and help us collaborate with local agencies and jurisdictions. The information we learn will help us identify a proper route alignment for the power line. This line will require easements and permits and will utilize existing rights-of-way where possible. The new power line will need to connect the existing transmission line located along the Agua Fria River to the Runway substation, approximately 3 to 4 miles to the west. Several studies and public outreach already conducted have led to identifying multiple route alternatives located largely between the Agua Fria River and Bullard Road and between Buckeye Road and Broadway Road. Public outreach and communication is a priority at APS, and we strive to do all we can to explain the details of the project and gather your feedback. Information gained by meeting with various stakeholders, including representatives from cities, county, state, federal, and local residents and property owners, all help determine viable routes. We continue to ask for your involvement by attending our project open houses, visiting our project webpage, and most importantly, providing comments in our open house, on our webpage, by mail, email, or by phone. This project will need to be presented before the Arizona Power Plant and Transmission Line Siting Committee at a public hearing expected in the fall of 2022 and would ultimately need to obtain a CEC from the Arizona Corporation Commission prior to any construction. At APS, our vision is to create a sustainable energy future for Arizona, and our mission is to deliver clean, reliable, and affordable energy to our customers. We would like to thank you for your participation in this important public process.